Sounds like the Green Ghost is fired up down here. We're going to get an exhibition pass out here for you guys. The Valley Truck Parts sponsor machine, the Green Ghost, going to be the first one to hook onto the sled. The distinctive Detroit diesel power plant underneath the hood of this one. You can check out the Green Ghost. They have all sorts of social media. They're on TikTok, Instagram. I think they're on Facebook. A lot of different places to check them out. They post their videos and they go all throughout the season with us with the West Michigan Pullers. Not in any specific class, but again, these are exhibition hooks. Really cool opportunity to see the Green Ghost here this evening to give it a first hook right out of the gate.
Alright, I gotta save my battery, so I'll come back with another part when they start pulling tractors. Oh yeah, no, I think they're doing it right now. Here we go.
Sled hitting hard there out of the gate. Gonna make that quick adjustment here. Again, just an exhibition hook, so the sled hit pretty hard there out of the gate.
That impact, though. These guys don't mess around. Wow.
We'll get them backed up and get them tried again here. And just some exhibition passes here for you. The Valley Truck Parts Green Ghost. Green lights, green flags. Let's give them a shot again here. Chain will get tight. We'll give it a go.
I'm making a video of them. Cool. Yeah. Oh, that looks bussin'.
How much was the pop?
Huh?
How much was the pop?
$3 for everything.
What?
I have your change in my pocket.
That's not bad. Just keep it.
Green lights are back on the sled here. We'll see if the green flags fly. Gonna give it a shot here.
Watch, don't spill that.
And out the far end of the track it goes there. Give the Green Ghost a round of applause. 305.91. 305 and 91.
Hey,
You can see here, trying to get it all dialed in. There's some softness out there in the middle of the track, and we're trying to get these runs put in here so that we can get it hardened up and good for these guys to run. of these exhibition passes through here. We're trying to get some of that wet scum off the top of the track there. And really the only way to do it is with that sled hooked in and getting towed down the track. We can get that kind of scraped off there with the sled and getting ran in a little bit. And trying to get this track here workable for these guys this evening. Gonna rehook back to the sled again here. Same thing. We're gonna get a couple passes here and just trying to get that hot, soft stuff off.
Will
We're
you
trying
hold
to get a
this
good
above
hard
people's
groove
head
set in there.
without on both sides like that? Without
Right now,
touching
with
the
how soft it is, it's not in a good state for these guys to be able to pull it.
There, right there. Hold it up so good. Face it towards the just face it towards the track.
Hey, you have $7 to spend.
Was I in the shot?
A little bit.
I got you together. You could just set it on your leg like that.
Yeah, I got tired of holding it up here and then I had to hitch. I know. What'd you get this for? For you. I don't want it.
Can you open? Oh, here they go.
That's gonna melt. That's gonna melt.
Yeah. Better eat it.
There we go, moving it out there a little bit farther. 331.97. Again, just some test passes here as we're trying to continue to get this track worked in. Appreciate your patience with us here, ladies and gentlemen. Again, we just guys are safe and we can put on a good show for you guys. When it's too wet or too dry, it just doesn't. We gotta have it working just right here. on the track for these guys to be able to pull in a safe manner and be able to get that sled moving, and then the sled be able to stop these guys.